Cooking with Camila, cooking with Camila. We're gonna make some food today. Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how I make my signature pasta dish 2 different ways. First, let's start off with my seafood pasta. Alright guys, I am making my signature veggie shrimp pasta. I basically just have some shrimp here, some spinach, and I also cooked some mushrooms right here. It looks kind of weird and gross. This is like my version of a pasta sauce because I don't really like red sauce or creamy sauces. So I just put some pasta water, olive oil, a little bit of garlic and a little bit of butter in there, and I'm going to add pasta, which I've talked about this pasta before. It's like a veggie rotini pasta, super good from Trader Joe's. And that's it. Super quick, easy, and healthy, right? It's very tasty too. And here's the pasta, once again, that I used in the seafood dish. You can get it at Trader Joe's. Here's another version of the seafood pasta. The only difference is that I added some diced tomatoes and onion. Now I'll show you my bolognese pasta. You can use the same pasta as you did for the seafood one, but I also recommend this chickpea pasta. And for this dish, I recommend, instead of making your own sauce, to use a red sauce. Be careful because I've noticed that a lot of red sauces have a ton of sodium in them, but the ones that I'm mentioning in this video are not super high, less than 10%. So first, what you're gonna do is saute some veggies of your choice. Once again, I'm using spinach and mushroom. Next, you're gonna take your ground beef and season it. I like to use grass-fed, organic, low-fat ground beef. And then I add some sauce to that ground beef and add the veggies and the meat sauce to the pasta. So super simple, like the seafood version. The only difference is that you're using ground beef and red sauce as opposed to seafood and an olive oil sauce. And in the next clip, I'm gonna show you my spaghetti squash version. First, you're gonna take your spaghetti squash, cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Bake the squash at 400 for 40 to 60 minutes. Next, you're gonna saute some veggies of your choice. I'm using mushrooms and spinach, and I seasoned with salt and pepper. Now, for those who want this meal to be plant-based, you can skip this step, but for those who do eat meat, I'm using lean ground beef here, and I'm adding some pasta sauce to it. Once your squash is done, just take it out of the oven, get a fork, and scrape it out, and it'll come out like spaghetti. Et voila, your spaghetti squash is done. This is a really great, lean, protein-filled pasta alternative. It's quick and easy to make, and it tastes great. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really wanted to create some healthier alternatives for pasta that you can eat guilt-free throughout the week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.